Okay, so this is the bare unit corner lot L type of Victoria de Morato, 29th floor. So what we have here is the plan provided by the developer. Although this one's the dashed lines are only optional. So I will be showing you three models for this type of bedroom. So in here, what we have is the Manila view, and this is the Makati view. This is where we get the sunrise, and then somewhere here is where we get the sunset. So we get sunrise and sunset view for the unit. We have here fixed dimensions such as for the toilet and then for the lavatory and then also for the locations of the window. So we have one, two, three, four, five windows. These are the possible locations of the air conditioning unit and another one right here. This one cannot be changed. This is according to the developer. So what I will be showing you on the first model is the bare type unit. So our reference here is this woman right here. Um, ayan. So I have placed here shelves. Okay, these shelves are of course optional. I have only placed here so that we'll have uh, a view that this can be used for placing your stuff because we need to have more space at the ground. And then we don't have yet this wooden shelves for above the kitchen, but we need to provide the exhaust since this is a condominium unit. And then this is also an optional floating cabinet for the utensils, spoon, fork, whatever you want to place right here. And then for the toilet, we have this one. I try to make it as simple as possible. And then this is our sink, this is our toilet, and then we have here the shower. We can place here a separator if you want. And then right here, we can have our washing machine area. So it's based on the plan provided by the developer. This one is a washing machine. Okay. So yeah, this is my bare unit. So whatever you want to put here, it's going to be okay since this is a very open. This is better than studio type units. Yeah, we can place one bed right here and then another bed here. If you just want it to be open, it's all for you. And then you can place here beds without any separator, so it can be as big as you want it to be. So this is my proposal for the bare type of unit. Um, the windows are as is, although there are some door window knobs that you may choose to close or open for the windows. This is also a very windy type of unit. Once I open the window right here and another right here, siguro, or here, the air ventilation inside is going to be very not strong, but it's more than enough for the unit. I have tried once opening this window and another window here. The air is just flowing in and out of the unit. So less air conditioning, just put some air filters or air screen right here just to prevent the smoke and smog of the metro. Yeah. We have here a corner area. Later I'll show you what I propose to place here. So you can place a table or a couch right here. Okay, now we go to the second unit. One bedroom short. Yeah. So I'll just have to wait for it to open. Okay. Siguro I may try to open the one bedroom long. So we now go to the this is the proposed one bedroom unit wherein in the plan it says that you can place a one bedroom here, but if you're going to follow this type of bedroom, this is going to be a very small type of bedroom, just one for the bed and probably one for the cabinet, and then that's it. So what I have actually did is I made it a little bit bigger than the usual, so you can have a little bit of privacy for the couple or for the owner of the unit. Ayan, so you can have here a table or a cabinet. This is a wooden wall. I recommend this as a curved sliding door, so it won't eat up too much space. It can be a lateral door here, a slanted door in this area. So it's up to the owner. Again, the shelves. This is a standard bedroom. I think this is good for a couple, two persons. And then you can place here a table, a coffee table, whatever you want, a cabinet. Okay, I try to make it open so that it looks more breathable than the usual. And then you have here your window. And so you have here your television. Next is I have placed here a couch, a wooden couch, wherein it also serves as a shoe rack. And you can place your shoes here at the bottom while preparing to leave to go to the office. You can sit here while doing your preparing your wearing your shoes. Okay, I made the couch here. I think good for 2 to 3 persons. And then another here is a wooden high chair and a wooden high table for coffee, reading, and then working purposes. But again, this is optional. This is a standard height of a high table and high chair. This is I got these chairs from the database of SketchUp. So for the couch, we have here good for 2 to 3 persons. Coffee table, and then television, and then this is what I was saying earlier, a couch good for reading since you have a great view of the city right here. You can have here your reading, and I made it opposite to the television so that you won't be distracted while reading. And then this is a small dining table which is actually good for 4 persons. Yan. So right here, I have made an extension of the lavatory. Although what I can actually do is I can make this a little bit higher. Let's raise it by zero point 0.2. Then, oops, sorry. Um, Zoom selection. And what I recommend here is we pull this up by zero point 0.2. Yan. So that this will be a little bit of a high table, okay, for preparation of the food, chopping board, chopping area. Okay. Yan. So this is just my proposal. You can actually remove this one if you want, and if it looks distracting to you. But the downside here is that you'll be having only a small type of cooking area and a sink or a lavatory. Let's try to place here siguro zero point 0.3. This is, I think, the minimum size that we can have for an extension of uh, your lavatory for the food preparation. Yeah, so you can actually do this one if you like. Okay, and then yeah, you can prepare your food here so it won't eat up too much space. Yeah. Okay, so this type of unit is, I think, good for 2 to 3 persons, 4 persons probably, but you'll be needing an extra bed for this one. But for a couple only, this is a an intimate type of unit. Yeah, so this is my first design of the one bedroom unit. Now let's try to look at another bedroom wherein the room will now be on the longer L type of the measurement. Ayan. So what I've placed here is this is going to be your dining table. This one is a little bit bigger than the previous drawing. Good for 4 persons. This table is of, again, a standard size. This is also a high chair of a standard size, as you can see. This one is higher, so you can have here your reading, working, and then your coffee. So I placed it in the window so that you'll be having a good view while having your breakfast, having your lunch. Okay, and then this type of wall is inspired from the HMDC partition wall. So again, this is made of wood, a sliding door. Okay, and then you can have here a little bit of privacy. You can have your coffee table, your television, and then again your reading couch. In between the walls, you can place a little bit of gardening if you want. Yeah. So again, this is good for a couple. Yeah. So the addition that I made here is I place here a marble type of uh, long table or long and high table. So this is where you can prepare your chopping of your food, food preparation. This is your sink, and then this is your exhaust. I haven't changed the shelves and the locations of your cabinet for your utensils. And same design for the toilet. So what I have here now is a couch, probably good for uh, 3 to 5 persons, depending on the size. And so this type is a semi-minimalistic type. So the color of the wall is made of concrete plaster. So a little bit rustic and industrial siya. Just like what you see in Greenwich in KFC, I think they have this type of plastering for the wall. It looks somehow artistic and it blends well with wooden print. So this can be an actual wood. This can be a wooden print ng tiles. This can also be a vinyl type. So this looks homey. The combination of concrete and wood, and then the color green for the toilet blends well with color brown. So that's why I placed it here. But again, it's up to the owner what he or she wants for the unit. So yeah. I'll try to make this type of design wherein you'll be having 2 bedrooms. But as you can see from here, if I make this room small and another room small, expect this dining and living area to be compressed. So this is good for a family, a busy family, for the couple or for the couple right here, and then for the kids right here. And I'll try to make this one, and I'll probably show it on the uh, next video. So yeah.